Find or read reviews that people are talking about PEDOOLO Portable Printer Wireless, Inkless Thermal Printer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Portable and lightweight design. This portable printer's wireless for travel is compact and weighs only 1.51 pounds, making them easy to fit into a backpack or briefcase. They are perfect for carrying on the go, meeting the need for mobile printing during travel, business trips, work, and study, and serving as a reliable companion for your journeys. Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility. For computers, after installing the driver, downloadable via after-sale QR code or the included USB drive, connect via USB or Bluetooth. Note: Chromebooks do not support Bluetooth. For smartphones, use the AIN app for Bluetooth printing. Please connect via the driver or app's Bluetooth channel, not the computer's native Bluetooth. It's compatible with iOS 13 Plus, Android, and PC. Inkless and efficient thermal technology. Utilizing thermal direct technology, this wireless printer eliminates the need for ink cartridges, avoiding clogging and cleaning hassles, making it more eco-friendly and economical. The kit includes 2 rolls and 10 sheets of US letter paper. It only supports black and white printing and requires specific thermal paper, compatible with continuous labels, not gap labels, not regular copy paper. High-quality output. This thermal printer delivers clear images, dark prints, and smooth printing results with fast processing speed. The wireless, Inkless printer offers about 1.5 hours of continuous printing on a full charge. Note: the printer does not restrict the brand of thermal roll paper, all thermal roll papers are compatible. However, thermal sheets letter papers from different brands may not necessarily be compatible with each other. It is recommended to use thermal roll paper. Multiple scenarios. The small printer is versatile, suitable for various scenarios including offices, schools, homes, and outdoor settings. The Bluetooth printer can meet diverse needs such as printing documents, lists, receipts, and even tattoo stickers ranging from 2 to 8.5 inches. Please always remember to choose the paper size arrowing to the paper you use both on phone and PC. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.